Hey everybody, I'm HVAC repair guy. I have over 17 years in the trade as an installer, technician, and contractor. I also have a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are comparing two heat pump options for your home, the Goodman GLZT7C and the Thermal Zone TZP14AY. Both units have sturdy louvered coil guards that protect aluminum fins from lawnmowers, hail, and debris. Goodman builds the GLZT7C in the United States and includes a factory-installed high-density compressor sound blanket. Thermal Zone assembles the TZP14AY in Mexico and leaves off the compressor blanket, meaning less insulation around the compressor. Heating performance is measured by HSPF, which is like gas mileage for winter heating. The Goodman GLZT7C has an HSPF rating of 8.1. The Thermal Zone TZP14AY has an HSPF rating of 7.6. That higher 8.1 HSPF on the Goodman means lower monthly heating bills in cold weather. Both systems use a two-speed compressor, which lets the unit run at lower capacity on mild days for smoother cycles. Goodman pairs the two-speed compressor with a two-speed condenser fan to match airflow to output. Thermal Zone uses a single-speed condenser fan with their two-speed compressor. Matching fan speed to compressor on the Goodman reduces electrical wear and delivers quieter, more consistent operation. The Goodman GLZT7C operates around 75 decibels, similar to a dishwasher or a quiet vacuum. The Thermal Zone TZP14AY operates at about 74 decibels, similar to normal conversation. Goodman builds the GLZT7C domestically in Texas under Dakin Comfort Technologies. Thermal Zone is a private label manufactured by Rheem and assembled in Mexico for United Refrigeration distributors. Thermal Zone equipment costs generally come in lower, with installations typically ranging from $5,500 to $7,500. Goodman is higher tier and usually costs between $6,500 and $9,500 fully installed. Goodman offers a 10-year parts warranty, a lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. Thermal Zone provides a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty, but no unit replacement protection. My recommendation is the Goodman GLZT7C as the clear winner. The extra investment pays off with higher 8.1 HSPF efficiency, matched two-speed fan, domestic manufacturing, a built-in compressor blanket, and superior warranty protection.